final act of our Sardinian adventure. Hello, dear travel companions. We've reached the final scene of our magical days in Sardinia. I know my Sardinia watchlist videos on my channel weren't as adrenaline-packed as some of you might have hoped. The stats say it all. But let's be honest, this quest was a bit different. Peace, solitude with nature, leaving footprints in the sand and soaking up the sun. We were in full-on slow travel mode. Today is our last day in Sardinia. We set off on a pleasant drive from our hotel to Olbia Airport. First stop, returning our rental car. Okay, I'll admit, I had a tiny knot of worry about the car return. What we'd read on social media was definitely on our minds. But good news, everything went perfectly. We left our worries behind and buried the stress in the Sardinian sand. We breathed a sigh of relief. Olbia Airport is small but cute and functional. I had one final mission, my quest for the perfect Sardinian pizza. I gave the only pizza place in the airport. Let's paint a picture. Say there was a vampire-esque looking owner or cashier. One last shot. Sadly, we didn't find what we were looking for in terms of flavor or service. I can't even say, maybe next time we'll be luckier. I don't want to generalize, but we couldn't help but notice some minor rudeness. Oh well, these are just small notes compared to the beauty of the trip. Prices are on par with many other European countries. I couldn't help but think that if they were a bit lower, it might be a more appealing option. Now, it's time to wave goodbye to Sardinia. Our next adventure is in just 2 months. Where to? I'll share it in the countdown section on my blog. For now, a little hint. A bit of chill, some mountain air, lots of nature, and maybe a sailboat. We're gonna cool down our souls, weary of the heat. Stay happy and healthy. Stay tuned. Much love.